Meantime, today, an appeals court is set to weigh in on President Trump's use of a centuries-old Alien Enemies Act. He recently used it to deport hundreds of alleged Venezuelan gang members. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio has the latest from Washington.
This morning, another 200 Venezuelan nationals arrived in the capital of Caracas after being deported by the Trump administration. Today, 3 judges on an appeals panel in D.C. are set to hear the controversial case of 3 previous plane loads of Venezuelan migrants who were deported, and they ended up in a notorious prison in El Salvador. The Trump administration is now looking to reverse a federal judge's order trying to halt deportations. This morning, Judge James Boasberg ruled the Venezuelan migrants deserve to have a court hearing before their deportations to determine whether or not they belong to the violent gang Tren de Aragua.
Mr. President, do you think you have the authority, the power to round up people, deport them, and then you're under no obligation to a court to show the evidence against them?
Well, that's what the law says, and that's what our country needs.
The administration went ahead with the deportations despite the judge's ruling to turn the planes carrying them around. Boasberg warned there will be consequences if he decides his order was deliberately disobeyed. President Trump ramping up attacks on Boasberg, demanding he be impeached or disbarred. And Trump's borders are defiant.
We're going to keep targeting the worst of the worst, which we've been doing since day one, and deporting from the United States to the various laws on the books.
Families of many of those deported say they are not gang members, and late last week in a sworn declaration, an ICE official acknowledged many of the individuals have no criminal record in the U.S. Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.